Come on, Mónica, turn on the TV. Pasión of Gavilán is going to start.
José Alberto, papito, siéntate acá un momentico.
Ya, ¿pero qué pasó?
Tengo que confesarte una cosa que pasó.
Dale, decime, ¿qué pasó?
Es de Víctor Gabriel, te traicionó, papito.
¿Qué hizo ese boludo?
Lo vi muy cerca de Manuela.
Ah, pero es que son muy amigos, tranquilízate un poquito.
¡Ya! ¡Pero se la cogió!
¡Concha su madre!
Now I'm guessing that she bought him the big five organ. And he's really not happy about it.
Tuna or egg salad? Decide. I will have whatever Christine is having.
I'm sorry, Daddy. I can't marry him. I don't love him. Well, it matters to me.
Víctor Gabriel, ¿es verdad lo que me contaron?
¿Qué pasó, José?
¡Que te cogiste a Manuela!
No, yo solo la agarré.
La agarraste como no debías, ¿no crees?
Ella no te ama.
A quien no va a amar es a ti, ¿sabes por qué? Porque te voy a cagar a trompadas, boludo.
If I let go my hair, my head will fall off.
He shouldn't be wearing those bands.
I say, pushing down the stairs.
Pushing down the stairs! Pushing down the stairs! Pushing down the stairs! Yeah!
¿Pero qué hiciste, güey?
Lo mandé al infierno con su mamá. Ya no se podrá coger a nadie.
Come on, Daddy, listen to me. It's like my whole life, everyone has always told me, you're a shoe, you're a shoe, you're a shoe, you're a shoe. And today I just stopped and I said, well, what if I don't want to be a shoe? What if I want to be a purse or a hat, you know? No, I'm not saying I want to buy me a hat. I'm saying I am. It's a metaphor, Daddy.
You can see where he had trouble.
Well, it's my life. Well, maybe I'll just stay here with Monica.
Well, I guess we have established who is staying here with Monica.
It's my decision, Daddy. Well, maybe I don't need your money. Wait, I said maybe!
Muy bien.